Well, this is the underneath the screen of the OCK Walkman, and it looks kind of interesting in here. So I just figured I'd make a little video. One of the kids dropped it, and it shattered the screen. So took this opportunity to take a look in here. As you can see, there's a spot about here where the screen was attached, and it's been kind of messed up as I was trying to remove the screen and just kind of messed it up. But so you can see it's a little bent there, but other than that, it seems to be intact. Looks like this is like kind of the main processor over here. The joint B's P20, and you can see A30G. Is that a B or an 8? Looks like a 8 maybe. 3A7C2, I think. Yeah. So that looks like to be the main kind of processor that's got on it. Not sure what that says. There's the audio jack right there. Can't quite make out what that says. Maybe I'll flip it in the video. I have no idea what half this stuff does, but somebody in the comments might know. Pretty interesting stuff. Yep, and that's on the inside of the little Walkman.